Hi guys, today we are gonna to be making some grass jelly with fresh milk. The grass jelly brown sugar milk, a sweet milky dessert beverage with the grass jelly cube. Very easy to make at home and absolutely delicious. Asian cuisine grass jelly is very popular ingredient that is used in many sweet beverages like grass jelly bubble tea or desserts like we do today. First, start with open your can glass jelly like this and carefully pop the jelly out onto the cutting board. Slice the jelly into the half and slice one half into the little cube. Then press the glass jelly cubes into the separate bowls. The grass jelly is the black gelatin that begins with the boiling the leaf and stalks of the Chinese plant that gelatinized with the starch. Ingredients for this recipe are divided into two parts, which are caramel syrup and the grass jelly mixture. So the next one is the caramel syrup that we need to prepare. For the caramel syrup, we have three ingredients: water, brown sugar, and natural sugar in the same quantity. So, in a small saucepan, add brown sugar and also the natural sugar and the water. For each is 3 tablespoons and whisk into your water. Bring this to a boil. After we add all ingredients for the syrup into the pot or pan and stir until everything is dissolved with the low to medium heat, and once it gets bubble, leave it onto the stove for the 5 minutes. And after we continue to simmer to reduce this into the thick syrups. And now it's ready. And then we need to let it cool down completely. So the next one is the milk mixture, which we use fresh milk half and half with the evaporated milk. Today we use 200 ml with the evaporated milk and 200 ml of the fresh milk and mix it well. In the tall glass, spoon some ice into the glass. And then add the milk mixture. and add 2 tablespoons of the caramel syrup that we prepared before. This sweetness is depend on what you like, but if you like more sweet, you can add more caramel. And then add some the grass jelly. And before we serve, we put some brown sugar on top of this dessert. And now it's ready to serve for the glass jelly with the milk. This one you can serve with the caramel for other people that maybe need more sweet, and also with the some of the glass jelly too. I hope you guys give this try for this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook, and see you next time.